Hello guys, in this video, we will look at some of the best electric meat slicers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. OSDBA 200W Electric Deli Meat Slicer. Transform your kitchen into a deli-style haven with the OSDBA 200W Electric Deli Meat Slicer. This sleek, silver slicer combines power, precision, and safety to bring professional-grade slicing to your home. Precision at your fingertips, whether you're crafting paper-thin prosciutto or hearty slices of artisan bread, the adjustable thickness dial has you covered. The 7.5-inch stainless steel serrated blade delivers consistent, sharp cuts for a variety of foods, including meat, cheese, vegetables, and fruits. With thickness options ranging from ultra-thin to 3/4 inches, you'll achieve chef-like results effortlessly. Power meets performance. Boasting a 200W motor, this slicer tackles tough tasks with ease. It's designed to slice through frozen meats, deli cuts, and firm cheeses without a hitch. Say goodbye to uneven cuts and hello to perfectly sliced foods that elevate your culinary creations. Easy to clean, easy to love. Number 2. Chefman Electric Deli Slicer. Upgrade your kitchen game with the Chefman Electric Deli Slicer, a powerful and compact solution for creating perfectly sliced foods right at home. Whether prepping lunch, snacks, or party platters, this slicer delivers precision, safety, and ease of use. Sliced to perfection. From deli meats and cheeses to crusty bread and fresh fruits, the Chefman slicer handles it all with precision. The adjustable thickness dial lets you customize slices to your desired size, whether paper-thin for charcuterie or thicker for hearty sandwiches. The sharp 7.5-inch serrated stainless steel blade ensures consistent results every time. Compact and space-saving. Measuring just 9 inches by 12 inches, this slicer fits neatly on your countertop or in your cabinets without taking up valuable space. Its sleek black design complements any kitchen decor, making it a practical and stylish addition to your culinary toolkit. Perfect for everything from homemade jerky to gourmet appetizers, it's a versatile must-have for any food enthusiast. Built for ease and durability. Powered by a 180W motor, the Chefman slicer smoothly cuts through meats, cheeses, and vegetables. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the removable and retractable blade, along with the durable die-cast aluminum housing. With proper care, this slicer promises lasting performance for all your slicing needs. Safety first. Safety is at the forefront of the Chefman design. Non-slip feet keep the slicer securely in place, while the blade safety guard and food pusher protect your hands during operation. The easy-to-use on-off switch provides added security, ensuring a safe slicing experience every time. Number 3. Cuisinart Kitchen Pro Food Slicer. Elevate your kitchen capabilities with the Cuisinart Kitchen Pro Food Slicer, a powerful and durable tool that delivers professional quality slicing in the comfort of your home. Designed for precision, safety, and convenience, this slicer is your secret weapon for seamless meal prep. Precision at every turn. The adjustable slice control knob allows you to customize thickness from an ultra-thin 1/32 inch to a hearty 1/2 inch. Whether you're crafting delicate charcuterie boards, slicing cheese for sandwiches, or cutting perfectly even bread slices, the 7.5-inch undulated stainless steel blade ensures smooth and consistent results. Built to last? Constructed with premium-coated steel and die-cast aluminum housing, the Kitchen Pro is as durable as it is stylish. The removable stainless steel carriage enhances its performance, making it a reliable addition to your kitchen arsenal. With its heavy-duty 130-watt motor, this slicer powers through a variety of foods effortlessly. Easy to clean, easy to maintain. Designed with convenience in mind, the Cuisinart Kitchen Pro features removable components, including the blade, food guide, and stainless steel carriage. This ensures quick and thorough cleaning, keeping your slicer hygienic and ready for its next use. Safety and stability. Non-slip feet provide stability during operation, while the sturdy construction ensures your slicer stays firmly in place. The thoughtful design reduces the risk of mishaps, allowing you to focus on creating your culinary masterpieces with confidence.